Today I'm going to create a simple basic networking project in which we connect 10 PCs with each other by using a Cisco switch and check that those PCs are able to ping with each other or not. So I am going to use Cisco Packet Tracer. What is Cisco Packet Tracer? Cisco Packet Tracer is a software by Cisco in which you can create a virtual network uh, by uh, by using devices that are provided by a Cisco already. So I'm gonna take a 10 PCs. Uh, 9, yeah, 10 PCs. These are for disclaimer. I want to say that this course, yeah, this project is not for those persons who don't have a basic knowledge of networking. So they can't understand the IPv4 addressing that I'm going to tell, and they don't know what the difference between about the switches, routers, and hubs. They can't understand the things that I'm going to tell. So first of all, clear the basic concept of networking. Uh, After that, come here to understand the things. So this is a Cisco 2960 switch. I'm gonna connect all the PCs with this switch. Fast Ethernet to the fast Ethernet. Yeah, all PCs are connected with each other. So if I now check that what is the IP address of this PC, so you can see that there is an no any IP address allocated to this PC. So we have to manual configure IP address to the PCs. So I'm gonna allocate 192.168.1.0/24 network to all of the PCs. 192.168.1.1. So the subnet mask is about 24. There is a no default gateway because we are not using the router in this project. So there is a no default gateway. So I have allocated IP address 192.168.1.1 that's 24 to PC0. I'm gonna allocate fast now. Copy. So I have allocated three IP addresses to the three different PCs. Now I am going to check that PC0 is can able to ping with PC, which one? PC5. 192.168.1.3. Yeah, this PC is able to ping with PC3, PC5. If I am the simulation mode and now check again in simulation, if I check what is the IP address, now I'm checking on IP config. You can see that the 192.168.1.2, the IP address is allocated to PC4. Now I'm going to ping. What is the first of all? I'm going to explain what is a ping. So ping is a hello message that uh, check uh, the PC is available or not. Like if you call someone um, by using your phone, then you say hey, hello. So why you say hello? Hello is a method by which you can confirm that the person is available on other side or not. So here is the ping, as same as the ping is doing here, to confirm that the PC is available on other side or not. PC 192.168.1.2. Now, if in simulation mode, we can see clearly. Okay, I have to change the IP address one. So the packet is come from PC4 to switch, and switch transfer the PC to all, transfer the packet to all of the PCs, but all PCs are rejected the packet, and only the matching IP address is confirms the packet. Now it's going to give reply to the PC, and now switch get back its confirmation packet. So thanks for the all. This is the basic networking project of simple that PCs are connected with a switch and they can ping with each other by using a fast Ethernet.